Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss some more important questions for TGT and PGT related to William Wordsworth. So let's start. First, that poetry should portray the naked and native dignity of man was pronounced by Wordsworth. Second, where were the lyrical ballads appreciated more than in England? Means where लिरिकल बैलेट्स जो है इंग्लैंड से ज़्यादा कहाँ पे फेमस हुआ, कहाँ पे उसकी तारीफ हुई? दैट इज़ इन अमेरिका. द लिरिकल बैलेट वॉज फर्स्ट पब्लिश्ड इन 1798. Who was known as a Lakeland poet? So in this question it is about William Wordsworth, but Robert Southey and S.T. Coleridge, they are also known as Lakeland poet, who suggested a return to nature, natural and simple living as the only remedy for human wretchedness. So William Wordsworth, जो इंसान की समस्याएं हैं उनका सिर्फ एक समाधान नेचर की तरफ है, ऐसा किसने कहा? विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ ने. ओके. नेक्स्ट, द ओनली लव सोनेट ऑफ वर्ड्सवर्थ इज व्हाई आर्ट दाउ साइलेंट. नेक्स्ट, द प्रिल्यूड इज said to be the spiritual biography of Wordsworth. Next, a poet is a man speaking to men. Who said? Wordsworth. Wordsworth compares the stretch of daffodils in his poem Daffodils to the twinkling of stars in the Milky Way. Means in his poem Daffodils, Wordsworth compares shaking of daffodils to the twinkling ऑफ स्टार्स इन द मिल्की वे. जैसे आसमान में हमारी आकाशगंगा में तारे टिमटिमाते हैं, वैसे ही डैफोडिल्स चारों तरफ फैले हुए हैं. देर आर सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम डैफोडिल. डैफोडिल इज द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पोएम्स ऑफ विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ. सो यू मस्ट गो थ्रू द पोएम एंड लर्न ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड ऑफ द पोएम. Wordsworth has described various stages of his association with nature. In which stage did he hear the still sad music of humanity? The final stage. Okay. Next, what were the daffodils doing? So, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Next, one impulse from a vernal wood. The given line has been quoted from The Tables Turned. Next, who has written Ruth? William Wordsworth. Who has written Peter Bell? William Wordsworth. And this poem was written in 1798 and published in 1819. So it may be the question when the Peter Bell was written. So in 1798. But if it is being asked that when the Peter Bell was published, then it will be in 1819. Okay. The 2 April Morning is a poem by Wordsworth. Next, the true commencement of Wordsworth's poetic career was from 1797 to 98, when he, along with Coleridge, wrote lyrical ballads. From that point of time, his poetic career was reached. Okay, Wordsworth learned that verse may build a princely throne on humble truth from Robert Burns. The prelude was written in 1805. Wordsworth. So there are two questions. When the lyrical ballads was first published and when the prelude was written. Okay, so you must be clear with these two questions. Wordsworth was in 1791 in France, where he was witness to the middle stages of French Revolution. So very simple, French Revolution. Who called Wordsworth the egotistical sublime? Means you can say selfish. So Keats. For a handful of silver he left us. This line of Browning has a reference to Wordsworth. Which poem of William Wordsworth is considered his great autobiographical epic? So The Prelude. Question may be like this. The prelude is ... So great autobiographical epic. In which poem does Wordsworth write, "Come forth into the light of things, let nature be your teacher"? The Tables Turn. When did the first edition of Lyrical Ballads appear? So, Lyrical Ballads first edition in 1798. To whom is Wordsworth's autobiographical poem The Prelude addressed? So, the prelude is addressed to Coleridge. 26. In 3 years she grew. The little girl will be sportive as the fawn. Next, The Solitary Repair is a ballad. Wordsworth's poem mostly deal with humble and rustic life. Wordsworth, before his death, recited at Bridal Mount. Wordsworth, Tintern Abbey is a dramatic monologue. Very important question. 31. A violet by a messy stone half hidden from the eye is a quote from the Lucy poems. In which year did Wordsworth add his preface to the Lyrical Ballads? So, 1800. The Little of Wordsworth's first particle volume is Descriptive Sketches. Who said the poet is a man speaking to men? Wordsworth. In which poem has Wordsworth described different moods of the nature? Lines written above Tintern Abbey. Next, Robert Southey was succeeded by Wordsworth as the poet laureate of England. Okay, before Wordsworth, it was Robert Southey who was poet laureate of England. Wordsworth was a romantic poet who is the interpreter of nature in many moods. So, William Wordsworth. As you must know, he is called the poet of nature. The prelude of William Wordsworth consists of 14 books. How many books are there in the prelude? 14 books. The prelude represents the poet in quest of his identity. Next, Wordsworth was regarded as a pantheist. The term pantheist means, what does the word mean? A person who believes that God exists in and is the same as all things, animals and people within the universe. यानी ऐसा आदमी जो ये मानता है कि ईश्वर हर चीज़ में है और हर चीज़ ही ईश्वर है, चाहे वो कोई चीज़ हो, कोई एनिमल्स हो या इंसान ही क्यों ना हो, इस समस्त संसार में ईश्वर है और ये समस्त संसार ही ईश्वर है. अगर कोई ऐसा मानता है तो उसको पैंथिस्ट बोलते हैं. द सेम वॉज वर्ड्सवर्थ. द एक्सपीरियंस इन द प्रिल्यूड बिगिंस इन sensation and ends in thought. Who succeeded Wordsworth as poet laureate in 1850? After his death, Alfred Tennyson was the poet laureate in England. Which poem was called the poem of Coleridge by Wordsworth, the prelude? Okay. In Ode to Intimation of Immortality, Wordsworth sums up his philosophy of childhood. So that's all for today. Thank you.